roofs, edit sketch, or boundary. So we started with something here. We have a basic roof made. It's not right, but for now, at least we're learning a little bit about the sketch mode. Now, what if we want to edit what's there, which we do? And there's a number of things that we want to edit. For instance, the slopes. Some places are sloping like this right here shouldn't be sloping. Same with the sides. So how do we adjust that? Well, I'm going to click on that sketch. And in the ribbon, you'll notice it says Edit Footprint. And you can click on that. That's sort of like editing the sketch or editing the boundary. You click on Edit Footprint. Now what it does is it takes you down to that 2D simplified sketch mode. So how do we adjust the slopes here? Well, if you notice when you click on a line, there's a little symbol, first of all, that shows you there's a slope on that line. Second of all, it tells you what the slope is on that angle. And if we were to change that, let's say we were to change that to 3 and 12, and then say Finish Sketch, you see what would happen? It would change that slope only to 3 and 12. I'm going to click on Edit Footprint again. What if we were to take these off altogether? So let's just click on that line. Let's uncheck Define Slope. And let's do that with the other sides too, that one. And let's just do that much and finish. So you'll notice now there's no sloping on that side. Let's try on the back. I'm going to go Edit Footprint. For this particular factor here, Revit does not like a 0. So you can't just put in 0 and 12 for the slope and think it's not going to slope. What you have to do is uncheck Define Slope, and now this is the only slope, the line, which is sloping. Let's click on the check mark and that'll finish. Now if we just hold down our Shift and middle scroll wheel and just move our mouse around, we can pan, but you can see that slope is way too high. So let's just edit the footprint again. And you can do this right here in the 3D mode as you're seeing, or you can do this in a plan view, but I find it a little bit easier, a little bit faster just to stay right within the 3D mode on this case. I'm going to click on this line and let's just change that to be 4 and 12. And then let's click on Finish, and there we go. So that's how you can edit the sketch of an existing roof.